let's talk about edge banding. So we have real wood edge banding and we have PVC plastic edge banding. Basically, you need edge banding to cover up the cut edge. Melamine, the cut edge on wood MDF panels. There's two different kinds of real wood edge banding. There's pre-glued and non-glued. And with PVC, you have an option of wider and thinner. Then you also have another option of 1 mil, which is really thin, or 3 mil, which is a little bit thicker. All to cover the rough particle board edge. And that's edge banding.